This is Yak from Barefoot Bushcraft. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I want to talk about something that a lot of people forget about in all their outdoor prep stuff, and that's water. You may be surprised to know that you can only last 3 days without water. 3 days, that's it. No amount of fancy gear and equipment, knives, guns, nothing. Nothing will save you if you don't have water. You need water, and clean water. Even a beautiful pond like the one behind me, it could have the potential to have all kinds of nasty stuff in it that can actually end up hurting you, or worse, killing you, right? So what Sierra Madre has invented is this cool little straw. Look how small it is. It's very, very small. You take the top off to protect it for your mouth. You put that in your water container, you suck out the water, and away you go. Now, I hear you saying, oh, well, Yak, you know, I can buy these cheaper on Amazon. I don't have to buy the name brand Sierra Madre one for like $40 or $50, depending on where you live. But let me ask you this. Your life depends on this product, on these water filters. If you were in a spot and you buy the cheap ones and they don't work properly, are you willing to take the chance with you and your family's life on these, right? Can you imagine if you use this and it's broken, or it doesn't work, or it's fake, and it doesn't have the proper stuff inside it to filter the water, and you and your family get sick, you know, in a survival situation or an off-grid situation, or when the grid goes down, or any number of reasons? That's a huge problem. You need to get a name brand one, right? There's all kinds of different brands out there. The Sierra Madre one is pretty good. You may also ask yourself, hey, what do I really need this for? I really, you know, I'm a prepper. I don't really go off-grid. I don't really even camp. I don't even see ponds like this. Well, let me tell you, you never know when life can let you down. What about when services fail? What about when there's huge storms? What about when the power and the grid system goes down? You can't get water. You've got 3 days to get water. Are you just going to trust that that puddle or that little stream or that ditch outside your house is safe? You are not going to trust that that water is safe. So the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to use this. It is a beautifully simple device. It requires no electricity, no USB, no computers, no monthly subscription. It is quite simply a little tube. It has no moving parts. There's nothing to disassemble. It has down here a bunch of little tiny holes that are going to stop crap from getting sucked in. And on this side, it's got a spot that you stick your mouth on. The little bag that it comes in is actually designed for the prepper, survivalist type person in mind. Actually says put your purchase date on there, so you can write it down. I would give these a shelf life. You know, they have a shelf life printed on them, 3 to 5 years, and then you're going to replace it. Hopefully you'll be out there using it and enjoying it in 3 to 5 years. Because if you put this in your get home bag, how are you going to get home if it's a several hour drive or a 3 or 4 day walk in an emergency if you have no water? In order to use this highly effectively, you really only need 2 things. Again, no USB, no subscription, no screen, nothing to depend on. You need a water bottle and you need a bandana, right? You're gonna take top off your water bottle. You were gonna put your bandana over top, and you were gonna use this as a filter. So this isn't filtering the water itself. This isn't filtering and really doing anything other than keeping all the crap and the particulate, fish guts, whatever, from getting into my water supply. So I'm just gonna put this in the water just like this. You're actually gonna see bubbles and stuff come out of it, right? And then, once it's full, I'm gonna lift it up like that. Okay, I'm gonna strip this off carefully so none of the junk gets in there. Now I've got water in this. Going to take my Sierra Madre little water filter, take the top off, stick it in there, and I'm gonna drink it. That water is now significantly cleaner. So it's much, much cleaner. And then I don't have to worry about clogging these parts up. Yeah, so that's literally it. You stick it in and you drink it. Again, if I don't have one of these or I don't have a top for it, I can certainly put this directly into the stream. But when I look at this water, I wouldn't be happy doing that. I want the extra level of kind of getting out the silt and the crap out of the water. Now, there's a few caveats to know about tools like this, and it's not just the Sierra Madre one, it's any of them, whether you use any brand name that you find on the market. This will not get toxic chemicals out of the water. Lead, mercury, radiation, things like that. It will not get that out of the water. So if this is contaminated from some kind of horrible environmental disaster situation, you can't drink that water. The other thing, like, it's going to get, fine particulate. It's going to filter out a significant amount of all of the different critters in there, stuff that can get in your stomach, giardia cysts, things like that. There is one other thing that you can do to make this significantly safer for yourself. If you have the time, you can take this single wall can and you can boil it at a rolling boil for 3 minutes. That will really significantly help reduce the amount of crap in this water. And then you can let it cool off, which is going to take several hours. And then you can put this in and then you can drink it. It depends on how much you trust the water. But again, boiling and filtering is not going to get significant environmental things out. Like I said, it won't get out radiation. It won't get out salt. If it's salt water, right, you're stuck with that. You need a different filter. But this is good for fresh water that you are relatively certain isn't a sewage dump. So it's fantastic. Anyways, I would highly recommend you get one of these. They weigh almost nothing. They're really, really good little tools by Sierra Madre. You want to buy a brand name one of these, right? You don't want to trust yourself to the weird one that they have, like, whatever brand you see off Amazon. You want a good brand because your life depends on these. Your life depends on water. Again, you've got 3 days without water. 2 days, you're really going to start suffering. 3 days, you're going to die. Get one of these, throw them in your pack, put one in your car, because you never know. I'm Vilkoyak for Barefoot Bushcraft. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing.